Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X6098S on a 2026 Audi Q6 E-Tron, which features a 100% concealed cross tube and a removable stainless steel receiver, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market, with 4,500 pound towing and 675 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for bikes and more. Tools that you'll need are a T20 and T25 Torx bits, a bit driver, plastic panel tools, a 10mm socket with extension, and an 18mm socket and wrench. Begin in the rear wheel wells. Remove the screws on both sides and push the liner inward to access the fasteners. Remove the remaining Torx screws. Then take off the fender trim by starting at the bottom and working upward to release the clips. Next, remove the screws at the upper corners of the bumper. Move to the taillights, remove the covers, take out the 2 screws per side, then pull the taillights outward. Disconnect the wiring by releasing the red safety tab and pressing the connector. Remove the bumper retainer clip, then move inside the trunk. Lift the floor panel and remove the rear sill trim. Using a deep 10mm socket and extension, remove the 2 center 10mm nuts and the outer 10mm nuts near the taillight areas. Under the bumper, remove the remaining screws. Carefully pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle, starting at the corners. Disconnect the wiring on the driver's side and set the bumper aside. Remove the factory crossmember by taking off the nuts from both sides using an 18mm socket and wrench. This part will not be reused. Disconnect and remove the pedestrian alarm on the driver's side by removing the 3 10mm nuts. Remove the rubber grommets from both sides of the frame. Lift the hitch into place over the factory studs and loosely reinstall the factory hardware. Using the 1/2 inch bolt fisher, feed a 1/2 inch 13 by 1/4 inch carriage bolt through the frame. Secure each bolt with a fender washer, lock washer, and hex nut. Repeat on both sides. Torque the 1/2 inch hardware to 65 foot-pounds and the factory hardware to 85 foot-pounds. Reinstall the bumper, reconnect all wiring, and reinstall the taillights and trim. Test the lights to confirm proper function. Finally, install the hitch adapter into the receiver. Secure it using the supplied grade 5 hex bolt along with a 5/8 inch split lock washer and flat washer. Torque this hardware to 112 foot-pounds. Your hitch installation on your 2022-2026 Audi Q6 E-Tron is now complete.